Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to zip a file and send it in an email using Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the tools you need for composing and sending messages with attachments. Once your email account has loaded and you can see your inbox, navigate to the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This will open a fresh email composition window where you can create your message and attach files. The New Email button is your starting point for any outgoing message in Outlook. Now, from the email composition screen, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll find various menu options. Look for and click on the Insert menu. This menu contains all the tools for adding content to your emails, including attachments, images, and links. Under the Insert menu, you'll see the Attach File option. Click on it to reveal additional attachment options from the drop-down list. From the list of options that appears, click on Browse this PC. This will open a File Explorer window that allows you to navigate through your computer's folders and locate the specific file you want to zip and send. Take a moment to browse through your folders and find the document or file you wish to compress. Once you've located the file you want to send, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this context menu, hover your cursor over the 7-zip option. It's important to note here that you need to have 7-zip installed on your computer for this option to appear. If you don't see it, you'll need to download and install 7-zip first before proceeding with these steps. After hovering over 7-zip, you'll see additional options appear. Simply click on Add To, followed by your file name. This action will automatically create a compressed zip file of your selected document. The zipping process usually takes just a few seconds depending on the file size, and you'll see the new zip file appear in the same folder as your original file. Now that your file has been zipped, all you need to do is insert this zip file into your email as an attachment. In the File Explorer window that's still open, select the newly created zip file and click Insert. The zip file will now be attached to your email and you'll see it listed in the attachment area of your composition window. From here, continue composing your email as you normally would. Add your recipient's email address in the To field. Type in a clear subject line that describes your message and write any text you want to include in the body of the email. Once everything looks good, simply click the Send button and your email with the zipped attachment will be on its way. And that's how you zip a file and send it through Microsoft Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.